Hey guys, you might notice my look is a little different today, and that's because I'm gonna go busk with Teddy Swims. Don't tell anyone yet, still got like an hour to go, but I figured I'd put on my best cowboy outfit and bring you guys for the ride. I actually forgot, after I perform with Teddy Swims in the subway, I have a performance at MSG, so today's gonna be a very, very, very packed day.
Tell us about your outfit.
Oh, so boots by Post Avenue Bootery, pants by some random guy who I bought them from, jacket by Urban Outfitters, bandana by the last festival I played, and a hat by Zamir Zaruk. I believe so. You just have to tap your card. Yeah, this is a very exclusive event. $2.90. Hudson Yards, 34th Street. the biggest venue in all of New York City. Soon they're going to be raising the concert prices in the subway to $3. So make sure you
get your tickets now.
Yeah, get your tickets now. Ready for something? Hey, where to leave? All right, let's see where I'm supposed to go.
It's on the other side.
The looks you get in Manhattan wearing a hat like this is crazy. This has to be the steepest escalator in all of New York City. Oh, look, Timothy Chalamet.
Oh my God, Timothy Chalamet.
Big people. Only people like that can afford the
this venue.
Yeah.
Dude, I was trying to play with gloves on earlier. I played
brutal. It's terrible.
I hate.
I was thinking about trying to do
how you do this.
It's terrible.
I was thinking about trying to do the fingerless today.
The fingerless glove?
I'm not going to be able to bar anything.
Make some noise for Teddy Swims.
Hey, y'all. Yeah, what do you like, Augie?
I like Augie.
Okay, yeah, that sounds great. We'll do play some Bad Dreams. That's why I keep sipping in a bad dreams. But there's no you and I. No sound when I cry. I love you and I need you to set me free from all of these bad dreams. All of these, baby, please. That's how that song should have been recorded. Hey, I didn't even see you back there, Aiden. How you doing, bud? Good to see you, baby. Yeah, Augie Day, man. Happy Augie Day, ladies and gentlemen. Man, I'm so happy to be back together, bro. We haven't played together in a long time. I'm still getting a little, I'm still getting warmed up out here too, so don't judge me. You got it, you? Guilty sounds cute? Yeah, yeah. We'll do a little down though, please, for sure. That's, I'm screaming those notes out of. You at the end of every night, I'm guilty. On that bridge right there, I was like, we really I just know. You wanna play Are You Even Real? But you'll sing Vivian. Okay. Cause I don't wanna make some. Yeah, you know, just follow, you follow that. I got you. You'll be Vivian on the sax. Not you, I can't. Something that I made it. Questions that I ask every time I wake up. If You Ever Change Your Mind?
Woo!
That's my song. You know that? That's
yes, sir.
If you ever change your mind, don't let me know. Don't say goodbye, just walk out the door. Don't say it's over. Don't tell me lies, 'cause it's the only way I survive. If you ever change your mind, if you ever change your mind. That was cute. That was a heater, bro. Let's go. That felt good. I think we're getting warm now, you know? That felt good. What else is on that record? She's like, oh. Okay, yeah. She Loves the Rain's cute, yeah?
Yeah, that's a classic.
That's a classic. It came out 2 days ago. Yeah, number 13. If you made it that far. Half a shell she found in desk. Right on top of the bedroom drawer. Next to a dozen dying flowers. She waits until the petals fall onto the floor. Finds a beauty in broken when nobody else can see. Oh, maybe I got a shot of her seeing something in me. 'Cause she likes the days better when the sun goes down. She loves the rain. Baby, that means she can love me somehow. When the sky turns gray, you should see her face. She ain't even phased by You're kind of crazy. Can we make that happen? You're kind of crazy. Smell like roses. You're a red flag. Thank you for coming. Should we play Lose Control? This is like a quick recovery because I know you know that song. Something's got a hold on me lately. No, I don't know myself anymore. Feels like the walls are all closing in, and the devil's knocking at my door. Whoa, I lose control when you're not next to me. Yeah, you're breaking my heart, baby. You make a mess recovery. Oh, good time for all these people to be up here too. Couple more? Okay. Hot. I said I would die for you, baby, but I can't take this pain no more. I thought I was sweet relief, but tonight I saved my life and showed you the door. When I showed you the door. Last time, ready? I don't wanna lose you, baby, but I can't play this game no more. I thought it would kill me, but tonight I saved my life when I showed you the door. We're gonna play one more, okay? Thank you so much for being here. I want to play something you might not know, and then we'll leave like that. And if I butcher this, we'll maybe do one more. This just depends on how well this goes. Oh, in my head, you're still mine, and I go back every night, see your face in summer skies. I count the stars inside your eyes. What went wrong and what went right fades away as years go by. We may not have a whole lifetime, but at least we had the northern light. The northern light. That sounded great. Wow, what a crowd. Yeah, I think, should we do one more maybe? Okay. And I swear that we're done, okay? No, I'm not your man. This ain't how you treat somebody you say you love. I gave you everything and still ain't enough. You don't have to say it, baby, I understand that I'm not your man. No, I'm not your man. Oh. Nice. Thanks so much. Thank you. You can catch me on all the platforms. I've tried everything but therapy part 2. You know, stream it, buy it, keep the bills paid.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my
Another
god.
Cinderella over there?
What? Yo! Whoa! Oh my god! Oh my god!
I like literally heard him and I was
Sam!
First one I saw was Caleb. Really? Yeah. I was like, I saw him in the back. He was all the way behind. And I was like, oh, it's good to see you.
Sam's like, there's someone famous over there. Well, then I heard who it was and I was like, oh, maybe it's like AJ's over there. And then I heard the sax and I was like, oh, it's Age. And like,
My mom tell you?
Awesome, bro. So cool.
Good to see you, man. Thank you for coming.
Really? Wait, so you...
We were random.
we didn't know. We
No
were just
fucking way.
We were over to the Javits Center. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, but
What are the odds?
she's like, I'm driving because I was kept trying to FaceTime her. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
All right, let's go. All right, bye.
Have fun.
Good to see you.
Wow, it's so good to see you guys. Hey, good to see you. Thank you for watching. Good to see you. Hello.
It was really great.
Oh, thank you.
It was awesome when you first fell down and he wasn't here. I was like, really good play.
Thank you for listening. Thank you for listening even there. $300 hat almost. Thank you so much. Thank you.
What do you think?
I'm hungry. No, I'm kidding. That was so fun. That was
Right?
so cool.
What do you think?
Oh, no way.
It was amazing.
It was
Teddy's
amazing. It was-
You know who was the true star of the show?
Who?
Augie Bello.
Augie Bello. What do you think, sir?
What's the question?
What do you think about what just happened, sir?
My mind is blown.
Oh my god.
Some random saxophone player just played with Teddy Swims.
Who's the singer, though?
Oh no, yeah, some singer
Right,
played
some
with
singer
Augie
played with Augie Bello. What the
That's
fuck?
what I meant.
Thank you so much, bro. This was like a crazy one. For sure.
So, who's the singer? I'm lost.
Just a cowboy. My arm is so weird in this picture.
Yeah, I'm like,
Yeah.
he's holding you hostage.
Just
What?
I can't put my stuff away. Can you get,
Wear it?
Pardon me.
Oh.
There we go. We all look much cooler with this on.
What are you trying to say? That was cool without it? That was fucked up.
No, we all do.
I'm kidding.
I've returned to my New York form now. Oh, don't show the shoes. You... Well, that was fun. I counted the money, and Teddy Swims, big singer, we only made $8.
Woo!
So, New York is cheap.
Are you Augie Bello?
Oh my god.
What are you guys doing?